Hello traders, and welcome back to the market review brought to you by Orbex. So it looks like gold is stuck in a bit of a symmetrical triangle pattern at the moment, waiting for the next signal either from the Fed or from US jobs data to see which direction it's going to go, with a 80% or over 80% chance now that the Fed is going to cut in its meeting next week. We are expected to see gold quite volatile and the dollar depreciating value a little bit more, but it could actually be already priced in because for the last month there were bets on the Fed at least cutting rates by 25 basis points minimum. It was kind of up in the air when we did get the NFP data finally after the US government shutdown, but since then we are firmly believing that we will see one final rate cut before the end of the year, and then we'll have to see what's in store for the Fed next year and if Fed Chair Jerome Powell will still be in the hot seat. That would be something interesting as well. So just looking on the charts at the moment, we're seeing gold, as I said, waiting for direction, looking to hold above 4,200, which is just kind of flirting with at the moment, just dipping up and down in this, as I said, symmetrical triangle pattern. And we're waiting to see if we're going to break the recent top of just below 42.60. So roughly about $50-60 jump is not out of the question in one trading session. Will it happen today? Probably not. Not too much in the way of big fundamental news events, especially with the RSI really looking for direction as well and subdued in the neutral zone. Since we've had a bit of a overbought scenario a few sessions ago, as you can see here, price action not really making many divergences on the histograms or stochastics. We're just seeing now a bit of a consolidation for gold. For silver, however, we have seen quite a few headlines because we did go on the daily chart, hitting record after record in recent sessions, but now just taking a step back, seeing where the next move for the metal markets is in general. As you can see here, a very large bearish divergence on the RSI here, and we're just waiting to see now if that's going to have any big impact in price action to start moving a bit lower. We'll have to wait and see, but we were obviously thinking that silver would take a bit of a breather. It's lost a little bit of momentum, having a bit of exhaustion now, which is more than likely in the markets. You know, markets can't keep pushing higher forever and ever. Gold can't even do that neither, even though we had a stellar run for gold in the last few months, hitting record after record. But as you can see here, consolidating nicely as the RSI drops into the neutral zone. So where do you think the metal market is going next? Are we going to see any big surprises from the Fed next week? Obviously, we've got a few trading days away yet until that does happen. We've got the weekend to come. If nothing major happens over the weekend, then most likely we will see a bit of a subdued market until the big news, probably the final big news of the year, because the markets do quieten down during the holiday period in America. So the last couple of weeks of trading for December can be a little bit flat, but who knows? Things can be surprising, and we might have more of a Santa rally than we have in previous years, where the stocks do seem to start rallying towards the end of the year. But as always, we'll bring you all the latest in fundamentals and technicals as they come. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.